Welcome back. Yeah, now our topic for today, still under index laws. We're going to expand and simplify, a few expressions here, and then we should be fine. First expression that I have to expand and simplify it is I'll use these stars, negative 3x, open brackets, open brackets 5 minus 3x, and we are meant to expand and simplify this. Now what we need to do is we are multiplying 3x by 5, negative 3x by 5, and then we are also multiplying negative 3x by the negative 3x. Okay, please mind these operations. When you see minus here and minus here, please, we need to take account of them, because that's where at times things get messed up a bit. So I will multiply negative 3x by 5 gives us a negative 15x, because we know a negative times a positive, because here it's a negative and here it's a positive here. Okay, so that gives us negative 15x. Then negative 3x times negative 3x. So there are two negatives there. When we are multiplying, it gives us a 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. And then we have x times x. Now x times x is x squared. Okay, because x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1, we are adding the powers, which gives us 9x what? Squared. So x times x gives us 9 squared. And we have this positive here because there is a negative times a negative. So that is how we do our first question. We have expanded and simplified and applied our knowledge of the powers, okay, to get this what? X squared, because x times x is x squared. Now that's the first one. The second one that I have is 2y squared. Then we open the bracket. Inside the bracket we have 7 minus 4y, okay, then minus y squared, and then all that is closing the brackets. Now with our indices, remember, when we multiply, we add the powers. Okay, now remember we are multiplying this 2y squared by 7. When we finish, we multiply 2y squared by 4y, then 2y squared by y squared. Okay, so 2y squared times 7, we multiply 2 times 7, which is 14, and then we have y squared. Okay, then usually I put that minus here first, okay, because we are minus, we are multiplying 2y squared times 4y. We have to be very careful here. We are multiplying this 2 times the 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, then we are going to multiply y squared, this y squared here, times the y, okay, which gives us y to the power of what? Of 3. Okay, then we go to the last one. We are multiplying, will be 2y squared times y squared. So we shall have a 2, because there is an invisible 1 there. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 1, that is a 2, sorry. And then y squared, this y squared times the y squared here will be y to the power of what? Y to the power of 4. Okay, so there is a bit dirty here because I've been rewriting in it just for you to understand this. Okay, so and that is it. Okay, that will be our answer to that one. So I will do another one, then I will give you some 2 questions to try out. Now in the next one I will do here is 3a open bracket 7a squared plus a, and then minus 7. Okay, now remember we are multiplying 3a times 7a squared, like that and like that. So 3a times 7a squared gives us 21. Usually first First work out the numbers. 21, then this is like a to the power of 1 times a to the power a squared, which will be a cubed, then plus 3a times a. We shall have 3a squared. Okay, then 3a times 7, we have 21, but we have this minus 21, then a, because a to the power of 1, or a times 1 is a, and that will be our answer there. Okay, and that will be it. Okay, we have expanded and simplified those expressions. Now I'm going to give you some two. Let me write them down here that you should take time and try out. Okay, the first one is 6b minus, inside the bracket it's 2b minus 7. Okay, that's the first one you should try out. Then the next one is a little longer, is 3, should I use x? Okay, x to the power of 4, open bracket, 3 minus x, close brackets, minus x cubed, open bracket, 3 minus x. Okay, try those out. Pause the video and try those out. Then we shall go through them shortly. Okay, I hope you've been able to try these questions out. Okay, to try them out. Now I will do them here. I'll start with the first one. I'll write it again here, which was 6b minus 2b minus 7. Now this was a little, I know some people might get a little confused, because when you see a minus outside the bracket, just know there is an invisible one there that will guide you when you're multiplying the negative numbers. Okay, so we have 6b. Now minus 1 times 2b is minus 2b. Okay, then minus 1, this minus 1 times minus 7 gives us a plus 7. Okay, now here in this case we have 6b and we have 2b. Now these are like terms that you can actually what? Solve. 6 lots of b minus 2 lots of b gives us 4 lots of what? 4 lots of b plus 7. And that's our final answer. Okay, I hope you were able to get it. It was a little different, but I just wanted you to use your brain to think, because I'm really trying to train you guys how to think. So the next one, I will do it here. The next one was a bit long. I'll write it here again. 3x to the power of 4, open bracket, 3 minus x cubed, 3 minus x. So step by step, I'm going to multiply 3x to the power of 4 by 3 and then by x. So 3 times 3 gives us 9x to the power of 4. Then I have this minus here. 3x to the power of 4 times x will be 3x to the power of 5. Then minus, we do the same here. This will be minus 3x cubed. Now there is a minus here and a minus. Please take note. That becomes a plus. We are multiplying x cubed times x, which is x to the power of what? 4. Now what I see here are some like terms. These are like terms, x to the power of 4 and x to the power of 4. So we add them, we can sort this. This will give us 10x to the power of what? 4. Okay. 10 lots of x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 5, and then minus 3x to the power of 3. You can leave it like that. Okay, like that, and that will be our final answer. I hope you got it, or you got close to that. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful. Okay, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I take my time to write this for a reason. Please subscribe to my channel. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.